Hello, I'd like to talk to you about searching for Creative Commons materials. Creative Commons is a way for someone to share, use, or build upon something that someone else has created. You still need to give that original person credit for the use of their materials, though. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go through the Creative Commons search, which is at search.creativecommons.org. This is a great way for teachers and students to find non-copyrighted materials for use in their presentations or lesson plans. Over here you have the search bar. So let's say that you're doing a project on dragonflies. So we're going to type in dragonflies. We leave these two boxes checked so that we know that we're getting the materials that are going to have the most ease of use and the most adaptability. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click where it says Google Images. Once Google Images has loaded, you'll see that you are here where it says Images, and you'll see that there is this nice blue highlight that says Labeled for Reuse with Modification. This means that these materials are available for you to use within your presentations, lesson plans, or other uses that way. You can sort through and you can see as you scroll down all of the different choices and options that you have. Just make sure that you still go back and give credit to the original person who made that image. This is just a quick little brief on how you can use Google Images that are free for modification through Creative Commons. Thank you.